If you've been watching the channel for very long, you know that I like to throw sharp stuff into my balance, orientation, and rotation device. I've had a lot of people ask me how to get started, maybe say they've had some trouble kind of getting things to stick. So if that's you, today's video, I'm going to show you a good product that maybe will help you get on the road to being able to stick stuff, because I'm going to get my grasshopper on. We're going to take a look at the Cold Steel Lite Sure Strike Shuriken throwing thingy. Just because it's fun. That's what's coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Three, two, one. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose, your home for trustworthy information and gear reviews related to camping, survival, and general preparedness, and just plain fun for regular folks. My name is Brian. Thanks for joining me. So, when I was a young lad, I always liked to watch the old show Kung Fu. I know. David Carradine, I know, okay, I know it wasn't real, but man, when I was a kid, it was so much fun to watch that. It was just a really cool show. We used to play, we would do all the dodging spears. We would throw spears at each other and dodge them and all kinds of dangerous stuff because we lived before lawyers took over the world. But I really liked the opening scene. I really liked the Shuriken throwing thing. So maybe that's why I like throwing stuff so much. I don't know, but I know sometimes it's hard to learn, and I got a chance to buy these at Big Daddy Unlimited for $16.99 for 3 of them, and so I bought these, and that's a good segue to just thanks Big Daddy Unlimited for sponsoring this video, making it possible anyway. If you join their membership site at survivalonpurpose.com/BDU for 99 cents for the first 30 days, and you like it, you can save money, and you think it'll be a good thing for you, and you stick around for 10 bucks a month or 99 bucks a year, then they'll throw me a couple of bucks for introducing you. So if it's a win for you, it's a win for the channel. That's a good thing. So anyway, I bought these there, and just give you the specs on these real quick because I saw them, they were kind of on sale. I think these are on clearance. I thought, man, I got to get those, okay, because wow, that's going to be fun. So these things weigh 2.8 ounces a piece. They come in a 3-pack. They're 2 millimeters thick. Show you that. You don't really care about all this, I know. And their overall length is 5 3/4 inches from point to point, like that, 5 3/4 inches. And they're made out of some kind of high carbon, spring tempered, heat treated steel. And so that's what they are. There's, like I said, this is just about good, clean fun. I know there's probably people could use these for some sort of a weapon, but I just think it's fun. And by the way, you can't buy these on Amazon because apparently they're like, scare people. I don't know, but so let me just go show you real quickly the details on this thing. So they basically have one beveled edge. This edge is beveled, and the back is completely flat. So they're kind of budget. They're made in Taiwan, the country of Taiwan. And there we go. So what I thought I would do is just go ahead and we'll just see how well these things work. Now, I've never thrown a Shuriken probably in literally over 40 years. And the ones I had at the time were really cheap junk. They didn't stick very well. This thing has got a good point on it. So you want to try it? You want to? Let's do. I don't know about the scientific method on this thing. Let's just see. Whoop, 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 whoop. Oh, that was bad. It hit, but it was bad. Oh, yeah, that was better. Oh, that was fun. So, that was overhanded. But I know on the show, Kwai Chang, he was always going, whoop, 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 and it was slow motion. I don't think I can throw them in slow motion, but let's try that. Ready? Let me get over here. You ready? We'll try it. I didn't have enough hump on it. Or that one either. Oh. So obviously the grain in my balance, orientation, rotation device is running like this, and I'm going perpendicular to the grain, so it doesn't want to stick as good. I'm afraid to really try to throw it too hard because I'll lose it in the weeds back there, but let's try again. Like that. And that. Uh-oh. Okay, well, I found one of them. The other one's back there somewhere. Maybe I'll find it next winter. Anyway, just want to show you these real quickly. I think if you like to throw sharp stuff to stick into stuff and maybe you're having trouble with a single blade, these are almost hard to not stick. Again, they didn't stick very perpendicular to the grain on the balance, orientation, rotation device. That's because I was trying to not throw too hard to lose control like I did. So, but we'll give these a couple more just to check them out, and we'll make sure they're still balanced. Oh yeah. Okay, so that is a quick look at the cold steel. What do they call these things? The Lite SureStrike. 16 bucks, $16.99 for 3 of them. So if you don't lose them in the weeds, that's not a bad deal on Big Daddy Unlimited. And it's just good, clean fun, and you can really dial in your aim with these, and maybe that'll transfer to a blade. I don't know, but it's fun. And I hope this video has been fun for you. I really appreciate you watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, survival's not an accident, so be prepared. I'll see you next time.